But anyway, today's project is making a simple knife handle out of the little pocket knife I'm working on. Gonna use just some of that. I'm going to use my one machine that I'm gonna bring out here because it also gets really hot in there. So I'm going to be doing work out here. Also because the wasps have taken over inside the shed while it gets hot. So I'm gonna go grab that, clear off my workstation, and be right back. So I was out here in the shop at night, and let me take this off. I've got like the handle like nearly on there. The next thing I'm gonna do is take them off, put them together, sand them so they look nice. And because I want to thin them out a little bit, because right now that's kind of thick to grab. So what I'm going to do is sand them down probably 2 layers and then see how that looks. So I will be back. Now to just let that go overnight, I sanded these so they're a little thinner. I'm going to cut the little nails off and sand it some more so that it's a little more comfortable in the hand. And then this knife will be done. So stay tuned for the next scene. So it's me again, going close. So throughout this video, there's going to be several parts where I have filmed on my phone, which I'm going to take that out of my pocket.
You want to get your glasses off too?
I'm not doing a soda can this time, so no, I think that'll be fine. But I always think it looks darker on the screen, but it always looks better.
That's the problem I have.
But
That hurt.
made a little pocket knife. So like I said, throughout different parts I will have come back with like what I did, because I forgot my camera for a few shots. So yeah, and I was too lazy to go get it because I'm fat. We're not doing soda cans, so I don't think we're gonna feel like
Gunshot?
yes. I'm tempted to just go down like that, or should I go for the meat?
Just go down.
Like it did cut.
Yeah, I see that. Slashed it.
But can't stab. You can, but not very much. I don't know how much I've actually cut. I've cut the paper.
She did.
To the part where it's like sopping wet. But like each one, like they're just smooth cuts.
Yeah. And now I want to go swimming. All that water.
Come on.
What are you doing? Oh. It all came over here.
Oh.
To this side of the table. can't really see it in the video, but you got it. You did it.
Like, all
The
I
lights.
did was touch.
Oh, that breeze smells great.
My hands all like.
At least that
oily.
part of the grass is getting watered. Ah, waterfall. I should have got that in camera. Oh, well.
Now, as I clean up, what I probably would have done differently is thin the blade out a little more because there's still a lot of bulk on the back. And I would have gave myself a little longer of a handle because though it's a pocket knife, I've got big hands. So, you know. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't, am I too close?
No.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And we will always be back with better videos. Peace.